Good noon, everyone. How many of you feel this legacy should continue? Please raise your hand. MLD sir के time से LD sir, MLD sir, now the gang of all doctors who are presenting. This legacy should continue or not? Yes. जरा जोर से.
Yes, sir.
Lovely. Because very, very important thing which is that we should keep in mind for homeopathy is there is no major support coming from outside for homeopathy. It's a homeopathic doctors and homeopathic well-wishers, patients. Because of them, this science has survived. No pharmacy, no such big support for research. Nothing comes from anywhere else but from homeopath. Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
And we should be more conscious of our responsibility that we as a homeopath have to carry on this torch. सर ने एक आईसीआर शुरू किया था, तभी सोचा भी नहीं होगा कि इतना बड़ा हॉस्पिटल, इतना सारा गांव में काम, और मेरा ये छोटा सा प्रेजेंटेशन के बाद आप देखोगे कि एक छोटे से गांव तक कैसे पहुंचता है सिस्टम. And technology and the processes and every environment is following with us now. It's homeopath who has to take little more step to see that we come together like school of fish. We are not sharks. We don't have that teeth. We don't have that competition. Neither we have those resources which shark has to survive in this sea of health. It's a homeopath. छोटी 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 जो fish group होके बनती है ना, तो shark भी डर के भागती है. And that collective strength is something which we have and which we have learnt over a period of time through our institutional process. That एक छोटे से गिरगांव के रूम में से चालू हुई institute has gone across all the area. Those who have not visited Sumeru, please do visit and see what is happening. Not only that, at the level of structure, at the level of education we have reached. We are being called, number of our alumni goes out and becomes something like, we are happy that Dr. Dilip is with us, who is now principal in government college. Number of our faculties are called to lead in their organizations, and we are happy that the spread of message is going on. But all is possible if we have that eye and our preparedness to influence people, the lover of homeopathy, and create corpus for ourselves as a homeopath. Unless and until we have our own corpus, the new research, new development is not possible. And to survive in this world, we ought to have our own development. Prashant sir, agree with the struggles of research department? So it is very important that we invest ourselves first into the process of making of homeopathic, and in that direction we started talking that how to celebrate this 50 years golden jubilee. And in this celebration, we are open to ideas from you. One of the ideas we got, and we decided that Chandrasekhar, कितना corpus होना चाहिए?
100 crore.
Possible है? Possible है?
Yes.
तू नहीं बोल. मुझे जरा सुनना है. Possible है क्या? I think aim ऊंचा रख के जाना जरूरी है, because we don't tap our resources, we don't understand where we are standing, and we don't understand how many people are really interested in building these institutions of homeopathy. Many people are not that blessed like you and me who are in that place. So please think about it very seriously. And charity begins from home. Let's start doing our own contribution for small, little, possible, to see that we build this corpus. Second thing, make a list, what Anand has done very beautifully, and I am also following. So many people come to us I distinctly remember Kishore Bhai Sanghvi when came. We never asked about how much any. Only then people who want concession, we ask what is your annual income. And he used to come in janga pajama. But एक पोस्टर बाहर देखा कि छोटे गांव में जाके डॉक्टर काम करता है, क्या कर रहे हो? And he came with us. He joined us. And he has donated more than 12 crore rupees for Sumeru. So it is people who wants to do, and you are there, you are doing already. So we have to influence people to support homeopathy. And this talk we have, क्या होना चाहिए आपके हिसाब से? क्या करना चाहिए इस साल? कैसे सेलिब्रेट करेंगे? Anyone? Please. How we should celebrate this golden year? आप इस तैयारी के साथ नहीं आते, मुझे मालूम है. आई एम जस्ट इंटरवीनिंग. लाइक प्रैक्टिस में भी ये करना पड़ता है, बीच में थोड़ा सा कुछ और हटके, तभी जाके इंस्टीट्यूट बनी है. सो वी थॉट, वी डिस्कस्ड एंड आनंद तिवारी हैज हेल्प्ड अस. कुछ तो प्रोग्राम रखना है सेलिब्रेशन का, और साथ में होम्योपैथी का प्रचार हो और अपना होम्योपैथी का कॉर्पस बने खुद का. सो विद दैट आइडिया वी वेंट टू शंकर महादेवन. It took only 5 minutes for him to understand what we are doing. And he got up. He told me and Chandrasekhar, take a video. He said, I am with this trust. And I will support for their cause. थोड़ा हटके टाइम निकाल के चंद्रशेखर में पहुंचे, एक आदमी से बात की through the reference. And he understood, and the people at top understands this very fast. And he says, I am giving you my time. Not only that, his cost is very high in public performance. He said, start with my son, both of them, and I'll join as a special performer or a guest. And I'll come and do all what I have to do for the trust. So he is there with us on 19th December at Fine Arts Institute, Chembur. We'll send you all the details. We will also send you appeal posters and appeal material to your clinic. Many of you are great on media, like my friend Keur is there with us. So please spread this word. And you don't know who are there for our support. Those who are willing to join us. So make a 19th as a point. And till 19th, we work in that direction to see that we make this program not only successful of filling the auditorium with donation pass, but influencing number of people who has dream for health, dream for holistic, cost-effective health in this generation to come. Many people are just tired of taking chemicals and these processes. So they all want something else to come up. But we should play the role of influencer. Are you ready?
Yes.
Jara jor se. Yes. Now I'm little confident. So we have reached through academics, we have reached through efforts of research, and we have gone into small villages. And I want to introduce one very beautiful person. कम बोलती है, बहुत करती है, और आईसीआर बहुत बिजी था जब ये हॉस्पिटल बन रही थी, कॉलेजेस चल रही थी. एक छोटा सेंटर शुरू किया था, और उसका जो मिस्टर एंड मिसेस डॉक्टर गोड़ा फैमिली ने कंटिन्यू किया. कोई जा नहीं रहा था वो बोली, बट दोनों ने सस्टेन एफर्ट किए. और टाइम जब बहुत बिजी थे सभी फैकल्टी, तभी दे डिसाइडेड टू गो. And they continually support, and today it has reached to a different height and different level. And that all was possible because we were being blessed by Sunil Chauhan. Sunil, please खड़े हो जाओ एक बार. और मैं जो इन्फ्लुएंस बोलता हूँ ना, ये इन्फ्लुएंस का एग्जाम्पल सुनील है. कुमार सर को मिला, उसने देखा, कुमार सर, कुछ मालूम था सुनील ये सब करेगा? So everyone gets some or other inspiration within them. Please give them platform. Like what Sunil is doing, वो हमको भगाता है अभी. और प्रशांत की तो हालत खराब करके रख दी है. प्रोजेक्ट लाता हूँ, काम करो. So this is possible. So I want to take this opportunity to thank Sunil and all those donors who have been with us, trusted homeopathy and team of ICR. Dr. Sujata, take on from here, explain what you are doing very fast. We have a small time with a big team coming. Avni is a very beautiful project coming up. Sujata will explain to you and introduce the team.
So, very good afternoon to all of you. I know I have a very small period of time window. So, I'll just come directly to the app production. So, at Bhopoli, as you all know, there is data which is captured at small villages by our trained workers. So, data getting captured and then it has to get onto the system. So it has to be got onto some central platform where it has to be entered into the Excel sheets or some such platform which then the data can be used. So we have found that it was very difficult to do so. So and when the data gets through places and through hands, it compounds the errors. So what happens is ultimately when you need the data, it's not clean, it cannot be used. Though there is data, you are left with no data almost. So there had to be some solution. And then we thought that whether technology can give us any solution, it can offer any solution. So that was a time when through Sunil we got in touch with the Samanvay Foundation, which deals with the research and development, and it basically deals with the social sector. So they have some open source platform, and they are supporting many such organizations who are working on development sector. And they have a team and they have an Avni platform, and it's a platform through which we could make a tailor-made app to suit our needs. And that team's co-founder is here today with us. So I'm really grateful to the entire Avni team. And I would just like to briefly now go launch the app. I would like Dr. Sunil to do the job. Yes. So this is Avni. Click. Come.
I just want to tell the team has also joined online.
Yes. Yes. So Pradipta, Kamesh, if I don't know if he is here. Anjali, this is Arjun. He is the co-founder of Samanvay Foundation.
Flown from Delhi to Mumbai on the way to Bangalore.
Yes.
He had a different schedule, but he reorganized it in such a way that he felt that, and he said, इसमें logic नहीं दिखता है मुझे, लेकिन emotion है. That is how we joined them.
I think the event, I was saying like this, the event brought Mumbai in between Delhi and Bangalore.
Yes.
That's what I thought.
Yes.
Idea.
Yes. So.
But team has also joined, like who worked
Yes.
On this.
Tirelessly, they have worked with me. I have got no technical background, so I was zero. And then they had to work with me, and they had to handle all my queries, and they had to shift my logic to suit the computers. So this is the dashboard that is seen. You can. So this is the dashboard for the managers. So I can sit at any place and I can view what is exactly happening anywhere. So there is no time lost. It's a kind of a real-time tracking that is possible. I would like to introduce my team. I have invited our workers, and I would like them to share their experience. So just briefly, you can show them the dashboard of this first. So now I am displaying the dashboard of my community health worker. So the beauty is that the dashboards for the community health workers are different. Even for each community health worker, the app is, the dashboard is different. The figures will be different. So let me now hand it over to Pragati Pawar, who is working with us for more than 20 years now. She is a community health worker. She is from Cave Village. She would like to share what she thinks about this particular app. बोल. बरोबर थोडक्यात बोल.
माझं नाव प्रगती पुंडलिक पवार आहे. मी केवमध्ये आरोग्याचं काम करीत आहे आणि आम्ही काम करत असताना आम्हाला खूप काही रजिस्टर भरायला लागायचे असायची. हे एवढं होत आहे रजिस्टरचं, हे मी काढून दाखवते तुम्हाला नंतर. प्रत्येक कामाचं प्रत्येक वेगवेगळं रजिस्टर, पाड्यामध्ये विजिट देताना सुद्धा आम्हाला जाऊन तिथे हे रजिस्टर भरावं लागायचं. महिनाभराच्या अखेरीला नंतर मग बोपोली सेंटरवर येऊन ना पाणी असो पाऊस असो एवढं रजिस्टर घेऊन आम्ही बोपोलीला जायचो. पण आता आम्हाला हे अवनी ॲप दिलं ना मॅडमने डाउनलोड करून, तर आमचं खूप काम सोपं झालेलं आहे.
ते कसं सोपं झालंय ती दुसरी सांगेल. इकडे सोडी पुढे दिसूच तू. सांग तू कोण.
नमस्कार, मी भावना किरण गौंड, CSV म्हणून ढवळीमध्ये काम करते. आम्हाला आता हा स्मार्टफोन दिलेला आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये अवनी ॲप दिलेला आहे. या अवनी ॲपमध्ये हा अवनी ॲप दिलेला आहे. त्या अवनी ॲपमध्ये आम्ही नोंदणी करतो. NC PNC जन्म नोंद, आणि नोंदणी केल्यावर लगेच जोखमीचे माता बालक त्याच्यामध्ये दिसतात. आणि ते दिसले ना का लगेच मग आम्हाला पुढच्या कार्यक्रमाचा हे करता येतं,
प्लॅन कर.
विजिट देण्यासाठी हे होतं. आणि नंतर मग हे आम्ही नोंदणी केल्यावर लगेच ते भाऊंना पण दिसतं. मग त्याच्यामुळे ते आम्हाला त्यांना परत द्यावे लागत नाही. बोपोली सेंटरला जाऊन ते परत द्यावं लागत नाही. आणि त्याच्यामुळे मग आम्हाला ह्या दप्तराचं ओझार ते पाड्यावर वगैरे घेऊन जावं लागत नाही. आणि त्याच्यामुळे आमचं काम अगदी सोपं झालंय अवनी ॲपमुळे.
This is our MPW. She is working with us for last more than 8 years. I would like her to share. बरोबर.
नमस्ते, माझं नाव ज्योती पाटील आहे. मी MLW मध्ये MPW म्हणून काम करत आहे. आणि आम्ही ह्या अगोदर जेव्हा अवनी ॲप आमच्याकडे नव्हता त्याच्या अगोदर मी 5 गावांमध्ये काम करते आणि 5 गावांमधल्या 10 CHV आहेत त्यांच्यावरती नियंत्रण ठेवण्याचं काम करत होती. पण एकाच दिवशी जर मला एखादी माहिती हवी असेल तर ती एका झटक्यात मिळत नव्हती आणि त्यांच्याकडे जाणंही शक्य नव्हतं. कारण की पाड्यामध्ये नेटवर्कचा प्रॉब्लेम मोबाईल असला तरी असायचा. त्याच्यामुळे ते माहिती आम्हाला एका दिवसात मिळत नव्हती. पण ह्या अवनी ॲप्समुळे आम्हाला आता एका ठिकाणी बसून सर्व CHVवर नियंत्रण ठेवता येते. आणि जेव्हा एखादी जोखमीची माता वगैरे असेल तर त्यांचे नियोजन करणं किंवा त्यांना होम बेड देणं हे आम्हाला शक्य होतं आणि नियंत्रण पण व्यवस्थित ठेवता येते त्याच्यामध्ये. थँक्यू.
Tulshi is our field supervisor. His job is to compile all the data, especially with the child sector. So he will now share.
नमस्कार. माझ्याकडे 48 CHV आहेत आणि त्यांचं सगळं महिन्याभराचं जे रेकॉर्ड त्यांच्याकडे असतं ते एकत्रित करण्याचं काम मी महिन्याच्या 2 दिवसात करतो. तर तो 2 दिवस पण मला खूप वेळ कमी मिळतो. कारण त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं की कधी कोणी येतं, कधी उशिरा येतं किंवा मग उशिरा आल्यानंतर मग रजिस्टर ठेवून जातं किंवा मग मोबाईलमध्ये फोटो घ्यावे लागतात त्यांचे रजिस्टर, नंतर मग आपल्याला कम्प्युटरमध्ये टाकावं लागतं. तर हा जो वेळ आहे तो अवनी ॲपमुळे आमचा खूप वेळ वाचलेला आहे आणि त्याच्यामुळे आम्हाला काम करण्यामध्ये पण आता इंटरेस्ट आलेला आहे. त्याच्यामुळे आम्ही खूप खुश आहोत. अवनीने आमचं काम खूप सोपं करून दिलं आणि रिपोर्ट जो बनतो तो महिन्याच्या शेवटी नंतर मग आणखी 2 दिवस लागतात. ते 2 दिवसही आमचे वाचणार आणि त्याच्यामुळे आम्ही फील्डचं आणखी काहीतरी काम करू शकतो. त्याच्यासोबत जे एंट्री करतात CHV आपला ज्या ग्रेडेशन चार्टवरती मुलांचं ग्रेडेशन जेव्हा 3075 100 काहीतरी मुलं आहेत माझ्याकडं, त्या 3000 वरती जेव्हा क्लॉट पॉईंट टाकताना त्याच्या चुक्या व्हायच्या तर त्या आता अवनीमुळे त्या परफेक्ट राहणार आणि आपल्याला वेळेवरती रिपोर्ट मिळणार आणि चुकीचा न मिळता एकदम करेक्ट मिळणार. धन्यवाद.
सेंटर मॅनेजर नरेश.
नमस्कार, मी नरेश. तसं भोपोलीमध्ये मला बऱ्याच जबाबदाऱ्या आहेत. त्याच्यापैकी हा जो काही सगळा फील्डवरचा डेटा आहे तो गोळा करण्याची एक जबाबदारी माझी आहे. आणि दर महिन्याला तुळशीरामसोबत आम्ही बसून तो डेटा आम्ही कम्प्युटरमध्ये नोंद करत असतो. तर आता ज्या स्वरूपात मी नोंद करतो त्याच्यामध्ये अगदी माझी शीट आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये खास करून गरोदर महिलांची शीट आहे, यांची शीट, ज्याच्यामध्ये अगदी 28 कॉलम आहेत. तर त्या कॉलममध्ये सगळी माहिती प्रत्येक शेजूला समोर बसून भरावी लागते. तर त्यासाठी जो वेळ तुळशीरामने म्हटलं की 2 दिवसाचा वेळ लागत होता, तर तो वेळ आता आमचा वाचलेला आहे आणि आमचं काम अगदी सोपं झालं. म्हणजे अगदी 10 तारखेला, महिन्याच्या 10 किंवा 5 तारखेला जे फील्डमध्ये एखादी डिलिव्हरी झाली असेल त्याची माहिती जी आम्हाला 30 तारखेला कळायची ती आता अगदी त्याच दिवशी कळेल आणि ती माहिती सगळ्यांना बघता येईल. म्हणजे अगदी सुनील सर बघू शकतील, गौडा मॅडम बघू शकतील, आम्ही बघू शकू. आणि मग त्याच्यामधून काही जर काही अति जोखमीचं असेल तर ते लगेचच डॅशबोर्डवरून आम्हाला समजल्यामुळे आम्ही MPW आणि CHUना ते इन्फॉर्म करू की याची व्हिजिट जी आहे ती महत्त्वाची आणि त्याच्यावर अगदी देखरेख ठेवली पाहिजे. आता एक गंमत सांगतो की ही एक्सेल शीट भरताना माझ्या डोक्यामध्ये जेवढे कॉलम फिट झालेले आहेत ना, त्याचा माझ्या बिगर हेल्थ कामाशी पण कधी कधी हे होतो. तर मी समोर CHU बसली की मी मान खाली घालून तिला विचारणार, बाईचं नाव सांग, तिचं वय, नवऱ्याचं वय, खेप, पाडा, लग्नाचं वय, नवऱ्याचं लग्नाचं वय, LMP, EDD. तर हे असं फीड बसलेलं असताना मी जेव्हा माझा हिशोबाचा काम करतो, ड्रायव्हर समोर बसलेला आहे, वाउचर सांगतोय, त्याला पण मी LMP विचारतो. तो हसायला लागतो. म्हणजे अगदी इतकं माझं ते ह्याच्यामध्ये शीट मध्ये माझं डोकं बसलेलं होतं. तर अशा सगळ्या ज्या गमती व्हायच्या हे काम करताना, कदाचित आता सगळं व्यवस्थित ह्या ॲपमुळे सुरळीत होणार आहे. आणि आम्ही गेल्या 20 दिवसापासून आता लाईव्ह गेलेलो आहोत आणि आमच्या कामाला चांगली सुरुवात झाली आहे. खूप छान आहे काम करायला, अगदी आम्हाला खूप आनंद वाटतो.
So to have this app, we had a lot of struggle. Of course, everything is well that ends well. So what I have learned in all this is that you are the one who is giving the logic to the computer system. So if your logic is right, it will give you the right result. So if your results are not shown the way you wanted, that means there is some problem in the logic that you have given. There is nothing wrong with the system. So you introspect, find out what is the fault and correct it. That's the first thing. Second thing is that whatever you want to do, you can do it. There are people who can help you. And technology is definitely of quite a big help. And I hope that anywhere, wherever community work goes on, this app will definitely be of use. And we are also trying now that Gujarat also is going to use this app. So we are in the process. We have just started. So I hope that, the app develops quite well further. And we go to add to different things onto the app. Now I would like Sunil to give a vote of thanks.
So this has been a very exciting journey, I must say. I started working with Kumar sir and MLDT way back in 2008. And coming from a technology background, I was in my previous avatar, I was a IT professional. Now I've changed an avatar and I'm a social entrepreneur. So right from day one, I've been pushing everybody in the organization, saying, yeah, technology use karo, bahut kaam jaldi hota hai. But obviously it takes a long time. And then, well, I was very, very irritable in the early stages. In fact, a couple of years down the line, I complained to Kumar sir, mala nahi jamat hai. And his advice was, don't bring all your corporate logic here, doesn't work. Change your thinking. And I did, fortunately. So, and that is where this whole journey began, and it slowly came in. A lot of things have got automated ever since I've been working. And this has been one of the most important step, I must say, that now the entire work that used to take a lot of effort and a lot of hours is now available at your fingertips. So this technology will really make a big difference in everybody's life. And few people I would like to thank for this. One is, of course, our sponsors, Larsen & Toubro Technology Services. They've probably joined live. So big thank you to them. Because so far, I mean, for last 10, 12 years, I've been trying to get funding for technology, and nobody does that because all their money has to go to the beneficiary. But technology services are great for this. So they were a very important player. Then Samanvay Foundation, Arjun is one of the co-founders, and I think the team is joined online. They also really helped us immensely. Their platform helped because it was already a ready-made platform, and then on top of that, they built this application for us. So they were really of great help to us. And then Rushikesh Kulkarni, who's a Tata consumer person, he's also probably joined online. He really helped us in cleaning up the data of last 5 years. I mean, he did an enormously brilliant job. He cleaned up about 100,000 records. आणि ते रेकॉर्ड्स अतिशय घाण होते. ते ज्या तऱ्हेने आम्ही एक्सेलमध्ये त्याला एंटर केलं होतं, त्याला काही फॉर्मॅट नव्हता, काही स्टाईल नव्हती. बट ही विथ हिज एक्सेल नॉलेज वॉज रिअली एबल टू टर्न अराउंड दॅट. अँड नाव इन दी ॲप we have data for last 5 years, so that is really a great help. And then most important, Sujata, I think without her effort, this wouldn't have happened. There's no doubt about it. I mean, she spent countless hours, endless hours, day and night. And there were only 2 instructions that I gave her, that anything that your brain can do, the system can do. Anything that your heart does, the system can't do. So when you're a doctor, think from your heart. When you're sitting in the computer, think from your brain. And she followed that enormously. I took a back seat, allowed her to do everything. Naresh was again another big help in this entire exercise. Without them, this wouldn't have happened. I'm so happy. I mean, this particular chart, which used to take so much of effort to draw, is now there just at a click of a button. So thank you, everyone. Thank you.
I would just add a couple of sentences.
Yes,
So just about Sujata ji especially. I mean, I was really impressed. I mean, first of all, I think this looks very, now in the celebration, everything looks very good. But we have asked so many questions to Sujata ji, Naresh, and then originally to sir also. So that because we have to gather all the requirements, we have to understand it very minutely, how the program really works as such. So that I think working with us in that thorough manner, understanding the technology, and her inquisitiveness was really impressive. Like, she wanted to learn how you set up these forms. How can I do it myself? How can I change the fields in the forms and all of that? So many times, I think usually the impression is that, okay, old people do not adopt technology. They are the laggards. But many times, yes, I am seeing this right now also even in last 8 years of definitely in development sector career, that has been broken multiple times. And I think you all are a role model here for that as well.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much to the 3 cheers to the team Bopoli. On viewers, some must be wondering कि ये क्या ICR के प्रोग्राम में बीच में आ गया. But I tell you, data, which is the greatest problem of homeopathy. प्रशांत सर, कितने रिसर्च अटके हैं? आपको ये चार्ट देख के पहला चीज क्या आया? भोपोली का रिसर्च, राइट? So I think ICR's strength will increase, and Bhopali is always leader, Chandrasekhar, in this field. That data processing and everything. But when organization goes fast in its development mode, even organization needs doctor. And we were again blessed with person. वर्धा मैडम प्लीज 1 मिनट. काफी लोग आपको नहीं पहचानते, दे शुड नो. डॉक्टर वर्धा पेंट से, मैं डॉक्टर ही बोलता हूँ बिकॉज शी इज डॉक्टर ऑफ ऑल द डॉक्टर्स माइंड. and she has been part of trust now, and because of her we are able to keep our calm and organize ourselves better. So thank you very much, you attending today.